How to install the Lasfit LED bulb on the headlight. First, use a trim removal tool to remove the plastic fastener. Next, use the 10mm socket to remove the 4 bolts. Then, to remove the front grille, you will need to hold both sizes then pull towards you. To remove the lower panel, you will need to remove the 2 plastic fasteners. Grab the edge and pull them towards you, and it will come off. Use the 10mm socket to remove the bolts. We need to use the 10mm socket to remove the 2 bolts that hold the headlight. The first step is to take off the dust cover and original halogen bulb. The second step is to remove the adapter from the bulb and install the adapter on the headlight. And put on the rubber cover. The final step is to align 2 tabs with the groove, insert the bulb and turn clockwise to lock the bulb in place. After installing the bulbs on the headlights, please make sure the wires are pointing down. Do the same on the other side. Now put everything back in the reverse order.